Quality determination of the second years. I cook 3 tubers per clone and 12 different ones go into the pan. There is a grit at the bottom of the pan and there is only 1 centimeter of water under the potatoes. I always put the number on the potato and use it again for cooking. I only bake crisp and chips when they have enough dry matter. The biggest problems with crisp are the head and navel. So that's why I cut them lengthways. I bake at about 180 degrees Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit, and leave them in the oil until they are well cooked. That way I get the good differences. The really good ones stay good. Assessment is done fairly quickly afterwards and after 24 hours due to grey discoloration. In the next vlog I will explain what grades I give. Thanks for watching.